there, Sandra here. Today I am actually well ahead of myself and I'm prepping for Easter. And today I'm going to be making an Easter basket. So I've got some foam circles here that I've cut out and I have to stack some of those up in order to make a good base for my basket. My card layer. Okay, so that is it. The next thing I have is this rather peculiar looking fringe, and I want to stick that so that it goes all the way around. A bit of glue on an edge here, and stick that on like so. Now it's best to stick it on when it's upright like that so that you make sure that your base is completely and utterly flat. Like so. There we are. Don't worry about this bit being particularly tidy because it will have another strip over it anyway. So the glue goes on the inside and it goes like so. So it's at an angle to the base, and then that gets folded. So number one goes around the outside of number two and on the inside of number three where it gets glued. Outside of that, inside of that one. And just pinch at the top. As you go around. Now the benefit of using the hot glue is it doesn't shift once you've got it in place. You don't have to worry about it, so you can go around quite quickly. There we are, we have the base of our basket. Now I want to do a handle for it. So what I've got is another thin piece of this decorative card that I have, and I'm going to thread it in the slits of this card, or at least that was my intention. I think what I should have done is actually put in slots rather than just slits. So I will bear that in mind and I will adjust the file, dab of glue on that, and dab of glue on there. Trim off the excess. Like that. So this can be put inside, but you do have to make sure that you put your glue on the right side because you're going to glue it to the inside of the basket. So that can go on there, making sure you've got it upright. Glue on there to the opposite side. And there we have a very cute little Easter basket, which just needs a little bit of extra decoration and then we'll be all done. Right, I've got two pieces cut out and it looks a bit weird, but what you want to do is to layer one on top of the other so that they match up. Allow that to dry for a while. Now this has to wrap around here, but where you would probably assume you wrap it around that way, you do not. You wrap it around so that it's inside out. You do an inch or two at a time. So here's the two baskets I've got. This one with the two different types of card, and then this one has got a few little flowers put on the top of the handle. Now I would say that this card is a little too heavy to do this. This is construction card and it's not the easiest of card to use. This card was a little thinner and just works out better. But this happened to be a pattern card and I wanted a plain card, and that's what I had in plain card. So two different versions, and I think they both come out quite nicely. This one is a little shallower than this one. I just like the feel of this one more than I do of this one, although I do like the flowers. So there we are, two different types, and I hope you'll enjoy using those if you make up the design from the file, which will be linked down below as usual. Take care now.